Did you know God once used wild birds as a supernatural food delivery service? The prophet Elijah had just declared something impossible to King Ahab. No rain would fall for years, not a single drop. Within days, the entire kingdom faced drought and starvation. Ahab put a bounty on Elijah's head, making him the most wanted man in Israel. God told Elijah to hide by the brook Cherith, completely alone and cut off from civilization. As the drought worsened, normal food sources vanished entirely. But then something miraculous began happening. Every morning and evening, wild ravens appeared carrying bread and meat in their beaks. These scavenging birds, known for stealing food, were now delivering it. For 3 entire years, this impossible routine continued daily. While an entire kingdom starved around him, one man ate like royalty. Fed by the most unlikely servants in God's creation, nature itself bowed to the Creator's will.